Yes, good evening, students.
Evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay, students. Yes, 1 or 2 minutes, students. I'll start class. Login ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 2 minutes. Okay, students. Continue, student. Next one. How many two-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers? Which are divisible by 3? Student, question what? Write the question. How many two-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3? Which are divisible by 3? Okay, student, 2 minutes. Listen here. Simple concept. Student, two-digit numbers. Tell the student which ones are two-digit numbers. Starting number.
10.
Good. Starting number 10. Next number.
11.
11, 12, and so on. Continue. Tell me which one is the last number?
99.
99. Yes, student. This one is what? Two-digit numbers. But question what? Which are divisible by 3? 3 in the divide aga numbers na find out ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. I think 10 by 3 is not possible, student. 11 by 3 not possible. Which one is possible?
12.
Yes, first number 12. Next number, student? 15. Next number? 18. Dash, dash, dash. Last number 99 by 3. Possible or not possible?
Possible, sir.
Yes. Right, last number 99. Yes, student, first to find out A value. A means what? First term. How much is their first term here? 12. Next to find out D value, student. D means A2 minus A1. 15 minus 12 equals how much? 3. Student, AN means what? Last term. How much is there? 99. But which one you find out here? N equal question mark. Student, formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Student, first to write formula, substitute values. AN value 99. equals A value 12 plus N, I don't know N value, N minus 1 into D value how much? 3. Student 99 plus 12, you take this side, minus 12 equals N minus 1 into 3. So 99 minus 12, 87 divided by how much? 3 equals N minus 1. Divide student, 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, remaining 2, 3 threes are, 3 nines are. Yes, student, 29 minus 1, you take this side, plus 1 equals N. N equals 30. See, this one is what? Answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, students. Student, you want one more or next method?
Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Helpa.
Sir, now 99 is divisible by 3, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, student, you want one more or next method?
More, sir. One more, sir.
Okay, students. How many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 5? Same procedure, student. How many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 5? How many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 5?
Sir, can you write it on the board?
Question, man.
Sir, can you write, sir?
Question or answer?
Sir, question.
Right, man. How many two-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 5?
Sir, the answer is 18.
Very good. 100% correct. How many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 5? Same procedure, student. You find out.
Sir, 18.
Sir, 18.
Very good.
Sir, answer is 18.
Very good. Yes, remaining students complete path. Student, any doubts? ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
No, sir.
Okay, students, correct answer 18. No doubts. ಯಾರಿಗೂ doubts ಇಲ್ವಾ?
No, sir.
To do, sir.
Okay. Yes, student, question one. How many two-digit number? Which one is the two-digit number, student? 10, 11, 12, dash, dash, dash. Last number 99 is there. Which are divisible by 5? 5 in the divide ಆಗೋ numbers ನ find out ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. First number 10 by 5 is possible. First number 10. Next number 5 add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. 15. Next number 20 and so on continue. 99 divided by 5 is not possible. Which one is possible, student?
95.
95.
95. Yes, student, first to find out A value. A equals 10. So next to find out D value. D means 15 minus 10. A2 minus A1 equal 5. Student, AN means last term. How much is there? 95. But which one you find out here? N equal question mark. So in formula, AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. First to write formula, substitute values. AN value 95, A value 10, N value I don't know, N minus 1 into D value 5. So 95, so plus 10 you take this side minus 10 equals N minus 1 into 5. 95 minus 10, 85 divided by 5 equals N minus 1. Friend, 5 ones are 5. Remaining 3, 5 sevens are. Friend, 17 minus 1 you take this side plus 1 equals N. N equals 18. See, this one is what? Answer.
Yes, sir, you can rub.
Okay. Yes. Take for next. Complete part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take for next one. How many three-digit numbers which are divisible by 7? Two-digit complete. Now I'll start three-digit. How many three-digit numbers which are divisible by 7? Try ಮಾಡಿ students. Same procedure, but before problem two-digit number, but this problem three-digit number.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
How many three-digit numbers? How many three-digit number which are divisible by 7? Which are divisible by 7?
Sir,
Help us.
D is 7, sir.
D
D
value
is
7. Correct.
7.
Very good. Okay, students. Student, simple concept, student. Question what? How
Sir.
many three?
N is equals to 128.
100% correct. Good, very good. 128 correct answer. Student, 3-digit number. Tell us, student, which one is the 3-digit number? Starting number?
100.
Huh?
100, sir.
100, sir.
Starting number 100, 101, 102, dash, dash, dash. Last number 999. See, this one is what? 3-digit numbers. But question what? Which are divisible by 7? 7 in the divide our numbers na find out ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. First number 100 by 7, not possible. 101 by 7, not possible. Tell me which one is the possible?
105.
Yes, 105. Next number?
112.
112 plus 7 add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 105 plus 7 112 dash dash dash. Last number 999 by 7, not possible. Before number 998 by 7, not possible. Tell me which one is possible?
994.
994 possible, students. After same procedure, student. First to find out A value. A means what? First term 105. When D equals 112 minus 105 7. When AN means last term 994. But which one you find out? N equal question mark. Friend, formula AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. First to write formula. Substitute values. AN value 994 equal A value 105 plus N value I don't know. If I find out N value, D value how much? 7. Friend, 994 plus 105 take this side minus 105 equals N minus 1 into 7. Tell us, friend, 994 minus 105.
889.
889 divided by 7 equals N minus 1. Divide, spread. 7 ones are 7. Remaining 1. 7 twos are 14. Remaining 4. 7 sevens are 127. Minus 1 you take this side, plus 1 equals N. I think N equal 128. See, this one is what answer? Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, students, complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, student, take pa next one. Okay. Remaining students complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take one next one. Next. How many multiples of 4? How many multiples of 4? How many multiples of 4 between? How many multiples of 4 between 10 and 250? How many multiples of 4 between 10 and 250? Ten and 250.
Sir, 60.
Very good. Same procedure, student. See, multiples of 4 are divisible by 4. Both are same, student. Here 10 to 250 numbers is given. Now find out which one is the multiples of 4 on the candidate. Notice, student, first number 10 by 4. Not possible. Which one is possible?
12.
12. First number 12. Next number
16.
60. Next number
20.
20 dash dash dash. Last number 250 is the student. 250 by 4 is not possible. Before 249 by 4 not possible. Which one is possible?
248.
248.
248.
Yes, same procedure, student. Next to find out A value, D value, AN value. After you find out N value, student.
Sir, is the answer is 60?
Very good. 100% correct. Correct answer 60. Yes, remaining students, I'll give 1 or 2 minutes. In case ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Complete for students.
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
How many multiples of 4 between 10 and 215? How many multiples of 4? How many multiples of 4 between 10 and 250? Question mark.
Sir, answer is 56.
60.
Sir, answer is 60. N is equals to 60.
Very good. 100% correct. So, ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು?
No, sir.
Correct answer 60 students. Same procedure, students. Okay, students. Complete part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take for next one, student. For what value of n? For what value of n? For what value of n? Are the nth term of two APs or the nth term of two APs student once again repeat for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 dash 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 and 3, 10, 17 dash 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 equal question mark equal question mark. Okay students, say this one is what question students, simple concept, 2 minutes, listen here. Here two APs is given, this one is what first AP, this one is what second AP, both AP are equal on the Kaizen. Friend, I will take first AP. First to find out A value, A means what first term, how much is the first term here, 63. Next to find out D value student, D equals 65 minus 63. 65 minus 63 equals to, student you got A and D value student. Which formula use student here? AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Student first to write formula, substitute values. Yes, A value 63 plus N, donkey filo N value is not given, N minus 1 as it is. Friend D value how much is there? 2. Yes, student 63 plus multiply 2 into N, 2N minus 2 1s are 2. 63 minus 2 equals what student? 61 plus 2N. Yes, student, this is what first equation. Finish first AP. Now you take second AP student. Which one is the second AP? 3, 10, 17 dash dash dash. Same procedure student. First to find out A value. A means what? First term. How much is there? 3.
3.
Tell for D equals how much?
7.
7, sir.
10 minus 3 equals 7. D equals 7. Same formula student. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute values. A value 3 plus N value I don't know. D value how much? 7. Equals 3 plus multiply 7 into N, 7N minus 7 1s are 7. Yes, friends, 7N 3 minus 7 equals how much? Minus 4. Yes, student, this one is what first AP, this one is what second AP. Both AP are equal on the calculator. Yes, which one is the first AP student? 61 plus 2N is equal to 7N minus 4. Okay, grouping number one side or N one side. 61 minus 4 you take this side of plus 4 equals 7N plus 2N you take this side of minus 2N. 61 plus 4 equals what? 65 equal 5N. N equals 65 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, remaining 1, 5 3s are. I think N equals how much? 13. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, ಇದು meaning ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here 2 increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Yes, 7 increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. I think first AP ಯಾವ್ದೋ one term, second AP ಯಾವ್ದೋ one term equal ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I think this term is equal 13th. First AP 13th term, second AP 13th term are equal. Any doubt, student?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, next sum.
Yes, 1 minute. I'll give 1 or 2 minutes.
Done, sir.
Okay, remaining students complete path.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
students.
sir.
Okay. Okay, students.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Right, ma'am. Complete ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Take my next one. Determine the AP. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term equals 16. Whose third term is 16. And the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12.
From starting, you say, sir?
Find the AP or determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is 16. And seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12.
Yes, sir.
Yes, students, complete part.
Yes, sir.
Simple concept, student. 2 or 3 marks question. Student, question what? Third term. Student, third term it is denoted by A3. A3 equals how much is given? 16. Okay. Student, seventh term. Seventh term it is denoted by A7. Is equal. Fifth term. Student, fifth term it is denoted by A5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ exceeds ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ how much is given student 12 right here plus 12. Okay student, help us student. A3 equals what student?
What?
A plus 2D.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದೇನಪ್ಪ A plus 2D equals 16. Tell for student A7.
A plus 60.
A plus 60. A5.
A plus 4D.
Good. A plus 4D plus 12 as it is. Simple way, student. A plus 6D plus A, you take this side minus A plus 4D, you take this side minus 4D equals 12. The plus A minus A get cancelled. 6D minus 4D equals 2D equals 12. So D equals 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 6. I think D equals 6. Yes, student, you got D value. Next to find out A value. Student, D value complete, student. Next to find out A value, student. You take first equation. Which one is the first equation? A plus 2D equals 16. Student, D value na E equation substitute madಬೇಕು. A plus 2 into D value of 6 equals 16. A plus 6 2s are 12 equals 16. A equals 16 plus 12, you take this side minus 12. Yes, student, A equals 16 minus 12 equals how much, student? 4. I think A equals 4, D equals 6. But which one you find out, student? AP. Tell me which one is the AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on continue. Now A and D value substitute here. A value 4, 4 plus 6, A value 4 plus 2 into D value 6. Friend 4, 6 plus 4, 10, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 or 16. Yes, tell me which one is the AP? 4, 10, 16 and so on continue. See, this one is what answer? Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
ಯಾರಿಗ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? once again repeat pa.
Sir,
Tell pa.
sir, can you repeat the sum again, sir? I didn't understand.
Question complete pa. Question ಬರ್ಕದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Question ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Read the question. Third term of AP is 16 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I think third term it is denoted by A3. A3 equals how much is given? 16. Finish. After it question, seventh term it is denoted by A7 equal fifth.
Sir, you are on mute, sir.
Students ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ how much is given here 12 you write here plus 12. Okay, first one complete. Friend A3 direct ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. A3 equals what? A plus 2D equals 16. Friend ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು? Any doubt?
No, sir.
A7 means A plus 6D equal A5 means A plus 4D. Last how much is there? Plus 12. See, A plus 6D as it is. Plus A you take this side minus A. Plus 4D you take this side minus 4D equals 12. Ready? Plus A minus A get cancelled. 6D minus 4D equals what? 2D equals 12. D equal 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 6. I think D equals 6. You got D value. D value substitute first equation. Which was the first equation? A plus 2D equals 16. A as it is plus 2 into D value find out now. Substitute as 6 equals 16. 6 2s are 12. Plus 12 you take this side of minus 12. 16 minus 12 equals 4. You got A and D value, but which one you find out? AP. Which one is the AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on continue. A and D value substitute here. A value 4, 4 plus D value 6. A value 4, 2 into D value 6. 4, 6 plus 4, 10. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4, 16. See, this one is what answer. Any doubt, Parth?
No, sir.
Yes, student, you want one more question?
Next problem.
Okay. Complete, Parth? Complete ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು?
Yes, sir.
Okay, remaining student, I'll give 1 minute time ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ. Okay, student, take for next one. Same procedure, student, same concept. Question ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, answer ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Determine the AP. Determine the AP whose fourth term is 17. Fourth term is 17 and 10th term, fourth term is 17 and 10th term exceeds the 7th term, exceeds the 7th term by 12. Exceeds the 7th term by 12. Same procedure, student, you find out. Yes, I'll give 5 minutes time, students.
Sir, wait for 5 minutes, sir.
What, Parth?
Sir, wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, okay, pa, okay, okay.
Sir, answer is -1.
So check madappa. Tell pa D value how much?
4.
Very good. A value?
5.
Very good. Tell pa AP? Tell pa student AP? Don't worry student, I'll give time. Remaining students, time ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾಡಿ. In case any doubt is there, you ask after. Yes.
Sir, AP is 5, 9, 13, 17 and goes on.
Very good. 100% correct.
13, 21, 25, 29, 33 goes on, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, pa, I'll do this one. Friends, ಯಾರಿಗಾರ doubts ಇದೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Friend, fourth term of AP. Fourth term it is noted by A4. A4 equals 17. Friend, 10th term it is noted by A10 is equal. 7th term it is noted by A7. Exceeds ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದನಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ plus how much 12. Friend, A10, sorry, A4. A4 equals what? A plus 3D equals 17. Okay, student. A10 means what, student? A plus 9D. A7 means A plus 6D plus 12 as it is. Student, A plus 9D plus A, you take this side, minus A minus 6D equals 12. When plus A minus A get cancelled. 90 minus 6D equals what? 3D equals 12. D equals 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. I think D equals 4. Friend, D value 4. Now D value substitute first equation. Which one is the first equation? A plus 3D equals 17. A plus 3 into D value 4 equals 17. A plus multiply 4 3s are 12 equals 17. A equals 17 plus 12, you take this side minus 12. A equals 17 minus 12 of 5. A equal 5 and D equal 4. But which one you find out here? AP. Help by AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Continue. Substitute values. A value 5, 5 plus D value 4, 5 plus 2 into D value 4. Yes, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 5, 13. See, this one is what answer. Okay, student. Yes, complete part. Student, complete part.
Sir.
Okay, student. Take the next one. The angles of a triangle are in AP. The angles of a triangle are in AP. The angles of a triangle are in AP.
Yes, sir.
Friend, board clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀಟಾಗಿ?
Sir, light was reflecting, sir.
Now, student.
Sir, only for question, sir. Board reflecting.
Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Right, first student. Next one question. The angles of a triangle are in AP. The angles of a triangle are in AP. If the smallest angle is 50 degree, 50 degree. If the smallest angle is 50 degree, find the other two angles. Find the other two angles. Find the other two angles. Friend, once again repeat question. The angles of a triangle are in AP. If the smallest angle is 50 degree, find the other two angles. Okay, students. Simple concept, student. 2 minutes. Listen here. Student, you take one triangle. Yes. A, B, C. A, B, C is a triangle, student. See which one is the angle here? Angle A, angle B, angle C. 3 angles is there, student. But question what, student? The angles of a triangle are in AP. Angles ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? AP ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, student. Which one is the AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. That one is what AP, student. Here 3 angles is there. You take only 3 terms. After it question, if the smallest angle is 50 degree, which one is the smallest angle here? A. I think angle A equals 50 degree. Angle A value is given, student, 50 degree. Find the other 2 angles. Which ones are the 2 angles? Angle B and angle C. Okay, student. First to find out the D value, student. Okay, in triangle ABC, sum of the angles of the triangle equals to how many degree? 180 degree. ಈ 3 angles na add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 180 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Which one is the 3 angle? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. ಹೌದಾ? Substitute values. Angle A means A. Angle B means A plus D. Angle C means A plus 2D. Equals 180 degree. A plus A equals what? 3A. Plus 2D plus D, 3D. Equals 180 degree. Now A value substitute. A value how much is there? 50. Substitute here. 3 into small letter A value 50 degree plus 3D equals 180 degree. Yes, friend. 53 is a 150 plus 3D equals 180 degree. Friend, 3D equals 180 plus 150 take this side minus 150. Friend, 3D equals 180 minus 150, 30 degree. So D equal 30 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens. I think D equal 10 degree. Yes, student, you got D value 10 degree, A value 50 degree. Now find out B and C angle, students. Now find out, student, B and C.
60 and 70.
Very good, very good. Angle B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? A plus D ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. A value 50 degree, D value 10 degree equal 60 degree ಆಯ್ತು. Same as it is, find out C.
So angle C is 70 degree.
Good, very good.
Still 73.
Very good, very good.
Sir, angle C is 70 degree.
Very good. Yes, students, complete part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Today class, any doubt, students?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you, student. Bye, students.
No,
Thank
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.